Good morning, starting the vlog on my iPhone because I forgot my camera inside the pod. Got Christine's camera, but there's a 50mm on it. But look at that light. You can't see it, it's overexposed, but it looks beautiful. Back at the crib from the Reindeer sled ride. It's not lunchtime yet, so we're gonna crack on with a little bit of editing before we head to lunch. And I'm currently converting some of my files because I need to do this for my Sony. I need to fix my stuff in my Lightroom, but it's taking ages.
Oh, we can try to do this path for the...
It's sunset in about an hour. We're currently location scouting. The light is already very nice. Actually, I feel like the sun rises and sets pretty slowly. So the colors are already very nice, and now we're trying to look for the best spot when it's gonna be peak light. Okay, we found our spot. We're gonna be taking a couple of pictures from here. As you can see, there's like some nice beams coming out through the trees, so I think this is gonna end up being good shots. Okay, we got a couple of shots. Now we're quickly going back to the cabin. Christine needs to get changed, and I'm gonna get the drone because the light is super nice. She's wearing like almost nothing. Ah, okay, time to go droning.
Fingers.
Now we're heading back to the main lodge to do some editing and get some coffee and some chocolate. And then we're gonna have dinner, wait until night, and hopefully we get some auroras. It's looking nice today, not cloudy, it's pretty clear. It is pretty cold as well, but conditions need to align. So fingers crossed. So I was going to give up on taking pictures of the northern lights tonight, but one of our next door neighbors came through and she said we can slightly see the northern lights. It's not very clear with the naked eye, but on the camera it's visible. So we're gonna give it a try. I might try to do a time lapse, see how it works. I don't think it's gonna be as strong as 2 days ago, but yeah, who knows. We're gonna go out there and see if it works. Taking my camera with a tripod, and Christine is also taking this tripod, and she might also try to take some pictures. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so no luck with the northern lights. It was very slim and we couldn't see much, and I think the green color actually faded away after a couple of minutes. So now I'm just in front of some of the cabins over there and trying to take a time lapse. I'm about to start the time lapse right now, so here we go. So I'm not sure how many shots I'm going to take for this time lapse, but it shouldn't be too long, although I kind of want some movement in the sky with the stars. So for the moment I've set my time lapse at 8 seconds per picture with a 1 second interval, and ISO 1600. I'm on f2.8 because I've got a 24-70 Tamron lens. So yeah, I just started the time lapse, and I hope it's gonna turn out alright. Alright, so I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I'm not sure whether the time lapse came alright, but by this time you may have seen it. Yeah, I'll cut the vlog right here, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.